So now her dress and my nails are matching. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Sister Barbie. Today's video is a little bit special. So I'm doing nail tutorial and unboxing one Barbie doll. I'm doing both together because look at my nails. So I just did these nails. Do you like them? These are like hard print nails. This design is literally inspired by this girl, this Barbie doll. So she's wearing exact same print as my nail, like hard print t-shirt dress. It's cute, isn't it? So she's like a regular closed mouth Millie face. So the Barbie herself is regular Barbie, but I really like this print. My mini totally wanted to get this dress, so that's why I got this. And also I really wanted to try this design on my nail. And look, it worked perfectly, I think. So today, first of all, I'm gonna show you the nail tutorial, how I did these hard print nails. Isn't that awesome? I'm not showing you how to put this huge gel today because I already posted that video. If you wanted to know how I put this gel, you can totally watch from my Nails for Barbie playlist, so please watch there. Anyway, so first of all, I'm gonna show you this nail, so please watch how I did. So I painted 9 nails already. I just left 1 nail with blank, so I can show you guys today. And here I have her Barbie with heart print dress. I really like this print. It's so pretty, I think. I also like the color. That's why I'm stealing the design from her. So far they look really good. So now I'm showing you how I did this heart print nail. I'm gonna show you. Primer and let it dry. So just do regular preparation for gel nail, starting with clear gel. And remember, when you paint on the side, you push down your skin so you can paint till very edge. And on this side, I'm pushing down with my pinky. Can you see? Like this. I also paint the back side. Okay, putting the light. I already made a color today, so I already have 3 different shades of pink here. For the base color, we need to put light pink, like baby pink. So I'm starting from like this color. Like this. And we put 2 coats. Put in the second coat. Okay. So now the base color is done. And now I can finally do the design part. You see, there are 2 different colors of heart. A darker color and lighter pink, like a bubble gum and little darker one. So that's why I needed 2 different colors here. So when you copy the design from your Barbie dress, you really need to watch carefully. See, first of all, I noticed there are 2 different colors of hearts, right? And now you see like there are all different sizes of hearts with like a different angle, like really random. So you need to follow that. And I always put somewhere I can see it. You know, when I paint, I can always compare. Paint the heart. But like I said earlier, it's so random. So don't think too much, but you just need to paint some random heart. And you also need to have darker color. And it's okay, the heart doesn't need to be like super perfect shape. Make sure you have the bigger one and smaller one. Just check the balance. Yeah, like that. Maybe I can put another tiny one here. Okay, and let's cure it. So it's the last part. This part is actually the most important part. It doesn't really matter if you have the perfect hearts at this point or not. It really doesn't matter. More than that, this trimming with black part is harder. So start with really tiny brush. Don't trim perfectly. Like you see, I always slightly move my brush on purpose like this, you know. Do not draw perfect line. More messy line will look better with this design. Like some parts could be thicker, you know, and some part could be thinner. And not straight. Random is really the key of this design. You know, it looks so messy, but it's more good with this design. I cure between each heart. Yeah, like this. The little one, you can paint a little more neat. Like this. And just keep doing this. Looking good. So now I wanna cover with top coat, the clear coat. Shiny. I love. I will finally unbox her after I'm done. Ta-da! So the heart part, you don't really need to be picky about it. You just need to make 2 different colors of hearts, random angles and random sizes. That's the key. More than drawing heart parts, actually the trimming with the black line is more important. Yeah, it's harder actually. You don't need to draw perfect line, but sometimes, you know, like making something random is harder than making things look perfect. That's my opinion. Yeah, to me it's harder. So now I have perfect nail for unboxing this girl. So let me unbox her. Yeah, I wanna let my mini wear this dress. So retail price for her is supposed to be under $10, I think, but I ended up with getting her on Amazon. Yeah, so I couldn't buy with the cheapest price, but I had to pay a little over than $10, but you could get her under 10 bucks. I'm not a huge fan of pixelized printed eyes, you know, but it's okay. I understand that they have budget. Yeah, this time my main purpose was this dress more than the doll. So yeah, I don't mind about her face. So the dress is like this. She was wearing this side as front. And the back side is actually deeper crew neck. Can she wear either way? I kind of want to try. Yeah, so it's just regular t-shirt dress. Again, I just love this print. Super cute. She looks cute. Okay, so I let her try with the deeper neck, deeper side. And she looked like this. Looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah, she looks really cool. Maybe original side looks better. Oh, I kind of like off the shoulder look. So she could wear a little bit more like off the shoulder look. I like it. Yeah, I really like it. She likes it. She likes it. So now her dress and my nails are matching. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye!